Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laila Frida and we are from Group 2. We will explain about an analysis of thesis using case study, qualitative research design. So, this thesis is vocabulary teaching techniques in English as foreign language learning for young learners. A case study of an English teacher at SDN Cipinang Besar Selatan 7 pagi by Mary Sorta. Okay, I will explain about background of the study. This study concerns with the teaching techniques of English vocabulary for young learners. Teaching techniques emphasize the ways the teacher delivers the lesson to the student. The purpose of teaching techniques is to develop the teaching and learning in a classroom and involve the student into the learning. Number 2, research problem. The existence of improvement and learning of English vocabulary has been neglected by teachers who use inappropriate techniques strongly prefer to teach English grammar teaching vocabulary as a separate subject. On the other hand, they only teach the reading without providing a clear explanation of the technique or method of how to conceptualize the meaning of the word in detail. This makes students lose motivation to learn English because they cannot master the meaning of word in a meaning and also cannot communicate in English well.
I will continue the explanation. Number 3, research question. In this thesis, there is one research question, that is, what techniques are used by the researcher in teaching English vocabulary to 10th grade in SDN Cipinang Besar Selatan 07 pagi. And then number 4, it is about the key terms. In this research, the key terms are vocabulary teaching techniques, English as foreign language, and young learners. Vocabulary is a number of words of language and the words used to express an idea or thought. Teaching techniques emphasize the ways how the teacher delivers the lesson to the students.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Niken Andriana from Group 2. I will explain about an analysis of thesis using case study, qualitative research design. I will explain about relevant theories and research design. Relevant theories. There are some relevant study on the scope of teaching and learning vocabulary that previously analyzed by the researcher in Indonesia. Some reviews of relevant studies of teaching and learning vocabulary will be presented. There are 3 techniques in teaching vocabularies, like the technique of presentation, which consists of visual and verbal techniques of practice, and techniques of training. The study was a descriptive qualitative with the triangulation of observation, interview, and questionnaire as the instruments. And then research design. This research was conducted by using case study. Case study research brings us to an understanding of an issue or object and can extend experience or add strength to what is already known through previous research. The researcher uses case study in this research because the research focuses on a certain phenomenon in the classroom environment of a primary school. Thank you.
In this thesis, the instrument that used in this research is classroom observation. Do you know classroom observation? This one of instrument in qualitative research. Instrument was used by the author to collect more detailed data in the situation. It is used because the researcher was considered as the best way to gain the data using camera and audio recorder. And number 8, the research framework. The researcher used conceptual framework. The whole paradigm in this thesis is about vocabulary cheated in literature review. The techniques are divided into 3 points. The first is techniques of presentation, which consists of visual and verbal concern. Techniques of practice, and techniques of training. Number 9, research verification process. It is used the technique of video and audio recorder in the process of analyze the data. The writer observed a class of 5A students taught by an English teacher. The class consists of 13 students. There are 4 times observation. The researcher uses a video camera which is placed at the back of the classroom to record the teaching and learning activities visually. In addition, the audio recorder is used to record the interaction between the teacher and the students. And it also did in the field notes to note down some important activities occur in some session meeting. Thank you very much. Bila saya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.